There's a lot of people out there that want to get peak performance, that are introverted, that look out their windows and they think the entire planet are extrovert and party animals. So how can they, sitting in that room, get out into a social environment? How would you suggest they do it? How do you do it?
I don't, by the way. I mean, my answer is I don't. Like, I tell people, if I don't work with you, ski with you, and are married to you, I don't know you. Swear, like, that's really, I give a lot of speeches. So those are big social events, right? So I get some of it that way. But as a general rule, I get all of my social contact through group flow. And I also, on a daily basis, will try to reach out and call usually one person I haven't talked to in a little while. It doesn't have to be a very long conversation either. But so, Steve, let's talk about one of the reasons why this matters so much. On a moment by moment basis, when you're assessing an opportunity, is it a challenge? Is it a threat? Is it an opportunity, right? Your brain it wants to know how much energy does it need to meet the challenge kind of thing. So your brain runs a bunch of very fast analyst programs. One of them is about your social network. When you're facing a situation, how many people in your posse? Do you have friends who back you up? Do you have people to help? If you fail at this, is somebody going to pick you up? If the answer is no, right, your brain goes, oh shit, this is a big problem. We got to generate a lot of energy. We might need a lot of cortisol and norepinephrine and some stress. And all that is biologically expensive to produce. It drains calories. It takes away from our ability to get you to perform at best, basically. So by maintaining robust social ties, your brain goes, oh, there's people around who love you. They got your back. This is an opportunity, not a threat, kind of thing. And that has a huge impact on peak performance and over time on peak performance aging as well, because as I said, anything that stresses us out ages us.